It is alarming that over 75% of children still have unfettered access to online content in their bedrooms at night or at any stage. And it's even more concerning that over half of these children have not had a conversation with their parents about online safety in over a year. That would be deeply concerning. I think the government does need to take action. Obviously we can't wait on regulation. As parents, we need to be concerned and have those conversations with our kids as an immediate action. But the government does have a role to help parents, to assist parents and guardians, of course, that access to social media accounts shouldn't be permitted until children are over the age of 16, until they reach a critical maturity in how to navigate and manage the content to which they're exposed and the apps to which they're exposed as well. It's very difficult to be a parent, and sometimes you have to be unpopular, but really the advice I would give would be that maybe don't allow your child to have a smartphone, particularly without conversations and supervised access to it. It's a difficult decision, but certainly when they're older, they won't know it now, but they will turn around and thank you when they're much older.